How to share your screen with VDO.NINJA in MELDI Studio. Hi everyone, I'm Gilherme from JMV Technology. Today I'll show you how to share your screen remotely with MELDI Studio. This feature lets you display your computer screen even if you're not the one broadcasting. We also have a tutorial on this for OBS Studio. I'll link it in the card and description. To learn about our live streaming plans, just scan our QR code. For more on live streaming, check the description for our free course link. To do this, let's go to the VDO.NINJA website. We'll select Remote Screen Share into OBS. It mentions OBS, but it works with MELDI Studio too. If you want to add audio, just select the microphone here. Let's choose Select Screen to Share to pick our screen. Here you can choose open browser tabs, specific windows, or share your entire screen. After selecting an option, click Share. Then copy the link that appears at the top of the screen. Now let's open MELDI Studio. In an existing scene, select the plus icon under Layers. Choose the browser option. On the right, in the URL field, paste the link and press Enter. Then resize the screen as needed and broadcast to your preferred location. That's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this, subscribe and follow us on social media.